Here comes a Cessna straight at me from over 24191. There's a lull for about 3 days and then it just picked right back up to insanity. They're like, that's right, everybody's excited. It's a 4x zoom. So this is a off-white with red on the tip of the right wing and red on the tip of the left wing, yep. And it looks like possibly blue on the bottom of the fuselage and the rest is off-white. So that's just a civilian out here just flying too low, doing his thing. There's a second one out there next to him on the left just recording it. They're all just doing their best.